Hey guys, today we're going to make some fizzy baking soda. So what I did is I separated the baking soda into 3 different bowls. You could do as many as you want. It suggests 1 cup of baking soda for each one. And then it said to do food coloring. We're going to try paint. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of water. Put your food coloring into the water. Okay, I added the color to the water. I'm going to pour in the water. I think this part would be best to probably prepare by yourself and then have it set out and let them add the vinegar so they can actually see the chemical reaction to it. But if you're feeling brave, they would love to dump and pour in the ingredients too, I'm sure. So once you got the water and the baking soda, you just take a spoon and stir it up to make the water mixed in with it. As you're stirring it up, it turns into kind of like a crumpling paste. And you're just going to do it to all 3 of them. Alright, now that I got them all mixed up, I'm hoping it still works. I didn't have enough baking soda for my 3rd bowl, so it's still kind of a liquidy, but I'm assuming it'll still fizz when you add vinegar to it. So what I was going to do is just put the powder into just like anything really, a baking dish, a plate, whatever you want to hold. You're going to add vinegar to it and it's going to fizz, so you want to kind of have something with like some edges to it to help with some of the mess. So I'm going to pour all the powder or the baking soda into my tray real quick. Alright, now that I have all the baking soda added to the casserole dish, I'm going to take a cup with my just regular vinegar, pour some in there, and this is where you can use a straw or a dopper to take the vinegar and kind of drip it onto the baking soda. And if we did it right, it should fizz. Let's try it out. You're going to take the straw, put your finger at the top. Now let's carry it over here. Let's see what happens. Let it drip out. Whoa, look at that. Alright, I think our fine motor just isn't quite there yet with the straw, so we're going to try a spoon. Here, Ellie, try this spoon. You do it. Dump it in. Ellie, look. What's happening? Whoa. It's really fizzing. You want to try some more? If you need a bigger spoon, here's a bigger spoon. Try that one. And the cup is just some vinegar. Okay. And maybe a bigger cup would be helpful to get more vinegar out. Whoa, Ellie, look at that. You want to touch it? Wow, why do you think it's fizzing like that? When you added that vinegar to the baking soda, it started to fizz. I'm going to try it on the green. Let's see. Oh, it's really fizzing. Alright, and that's our baking soda and vinegar science experiment that we tried out today. I hope that you guys can try it out and see how it goes for yourself. Talk to you later. Bye.